Good morning, traders. So today I am currently in this micro silver futures trade. I'm currently at break even, $0, as you can see. So yeah, let's see how the trade plays out. So I'm just going to let it run, and then I will give you a full breakdown of the reason why I took this trade, so you can learn. All right, trader. So I am currently up $600. As you can see, it's going as expecting so far. Today is Friday, but it's fine. It's 10 a.m. Central Time, so we should hit our TP. Yeah, we should hit our TP very soon, hopefully. And yeah, so I'm just going to let that play out. And yeah, if you want to learn my full strategy, the link is in the description as usual. Yeah, to, today is May 2nd. I took a trade yesterday, so if we hit TP, I will be up 3,000 in 2 days, like $3,200 in 2 days, which is pretty nice. But yeah, let's see how it plays out. And then I'll give you the full breakdown of this trade so you can learn. All right, so I closed the trade for $700, which is amazing. But anyways, today is Friday. It's like almost 4 p.m. Eastern time. The market are pretty slow. I don't hold trades overnight. You know, I don't think it's going to go that far at this point. So I just closed it. Yeah, it's okay to close early. Like, get your money. Get your money. Like, you follow your strategy and you get your money. So it doesn't matter. It didn't hit TP, but we got our money and we're out. So let me just show you why I took this trade. As you can see, we are clearly in the a downtrend right here, right? We had like a little fake out and it went continued down. So right away, like I know this trend has been going down for a very long time. So, you know, I knew it wasn't going to be, a strong push down. So, but I still entered here, right? The reason why I entered here is because you see, there is like a strong push here. The market reacted to this zone here, went down, broke structure, it pulled back, reacting to this zone. So here I know there is like a support and here a resistance. So we broke structure, we went down, and then we went back to that area where the price reacted, right? And that's when I entered. And the price went up again, almost hit my stop loss, but I was confident that we were still going to go down because of this area where we have a strong seems to have a strong support and resistance, and the price tapped again and fell again, went back up, then we pushed all the way down and the market started going sideways. Friday, not a lot of volatility. As you can see, the trend, it might hit TP, who knows? But I doubt about it because look at the strength of this. There's not a lot of volume, not a lot of volatility. So yeah, it's better to get out now. And I got things to do. So I'll take those 700. I don't know about you, but I take the money. But yeah, this is it for this trade. Some trades are better than others, but as long as we make money, that's what matters. So I see y'all in the next video. Peace.